Hi guys, welcome to another beautiful day. My name is Damon Wickens, and today I'm just going to be doing a short video on power words. This is the third video in a series of video about getting awesome resume and CV tips. Okay, to make your resume stand out and get discovered in the job market. Kindly click the link in the description below of this video to get your free resume. CV guide contains more awesome tips on how to create an interview magnet CV. And if you've not checked the previous videos, you can always go to the info button here to check videos on formatting, and I'll make sure to link to the first video, if not in the info button, in the end credits at the end of this video. So like I said, this will be a short video, but before we get to it, cue the intro. Okay guys, so just going to jump right into it. So as you can see here, this is the resume template we are going to use today. And what we start with is, if you notice, and this is very important before I jump into power words, this just came to me and just thought I should share with you guys. This is his current experience. If you notice, the verbs are in present tense, except for this second one, which is because this is more like a career accomplishment. Although let's have a look at it. Coach team members to identify okay, actually that was an error. This should be present, so this should be coach. Alright, so this should be coach. So all the verbs that start the sentences are in present tense, and notice in the past, this experience session where you did 2015-2017, this is past tense. This is a minor, this might seem like a minor tip to you guys, but I've seen it cause a lot of issues for people with otherwise very good resumes, and you have to understand that the hiring manager or whoever is looking at your resume or CV might have to go through like 40-50 resumes a day, and is looking for the quickest way of elimination. So even if you have awesome stuff and your word tense is off, that's enough to get you disqualified. Trust me, I've spoken to some of these guys and I've reviewed a few CVs myself, and that's grounds for disqualification, just the way it works, guys. Okay, so talking about power words, what are power words? Power words are basically words that convey what you do in your day-to-day work, and also just gives a more impactful meaning to what you do in your day-to-day work. So I'll just jump right into Google, our friend, okay, and just like power words resume. Yeah, there we go. So look like, okay, these are some good action words. Let's pick this. Alright, loading up. Okay, so as you can see, these are 24 powerful resume words to get you hired faster. Advanced, assigned, collaborated, devised, organized, negotiated, quantified, reviewed, strengthened, so implemented, increased. So you see that these are words that are far better than what you see on a lot of resumes, which you see is like responsible for, or even worse, you see people put something like, okay, let's just take an example, I manage. Now this is not right. Actually, your word, it should start with no I's in resumes, no letter I's, no personal pronouns. You just start with the verb and carry on. So let's just look for an example from the power words. Let's use exceeded, and let's see whether we can put exceeded here. Okay, let's change this to exceeded. Okay, exceeded customer service, exceeded customer service SLAs with clients while they're into banking policies and procedure. SLAs are service level agreements on the level of service you give to particular clients. So yeah guys, that's just basically it. Just speaking about, you know, words. So make sure to put power words like this. As you can see, you can find a lot of them online. You know, this is another step of power words: trained, innovative, built. Just gives a more oomph to your resume, makes it stand out more. So no, I hope this video has been valuable to you. Okay, so catching, you know, sticking for, you know, kindly subscribe to the channel for more tips on resumes, cover letters, basically career development stuff. You can always drop a comment in the comment description what you think about the video, your thoughts, and what topics would you like me to speak on in future videos. I know I always love feedback is good. And once again, don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your free resume guide. And these other videos, these are the 2 previous videos speaking on accomplishments and formatting. With that guys, have a wonderful day, and till the next time, bye.